Just got to the shop. I wasn't gonna vlog today, but people brought out some really dope sneakers, so we're gonna get some footage. Those are beautiful. Easily the winner today. I came in with some heat. I thought. Hector's a runner-up though. We got on the. What are those?
Nike Air Max.
What are those? Nah, just playing. David don't want the hex lights on today. You don't want a tan today.
Huh?
You didn't want a tan today. No hex lights?
No.
You're looking scrumptious with the hex lights on.
I'll turn it back on, don't worry.
What you rocking today? You got the turbo ones? The turbo, what are the greens? Or turbo... You don't even know, Anyways, those are... At one point, those ones were selling for like $1,200. Not no mo. We got the Hawaiian Punch C4. This is a delicious flavor. I think it's better than the Ribbits, but the Monster's better. There is Icy Fade. As soon as I walk in the shop. Sheesh. What you playing today?
Same thing.
Can I come in your office?
Yes, sir, you can.
All right, appreciate you. This is what my boys want. Look at this screen. I don't know if I'm gonna buy one though. I might. We'll see. So my 130 no call no showed. That sucks. But if you charge, you got a paid break essentially. So do y'all charge? I charge $30. Charge 50 for a haircut, 50 for haircut, 40 for a haircut, and then I charge 30 if you have a no call no show. So, and then if I'm more than 10 minutes late, I give a haircut for free. So, balances out. But it just sucks when somebody does that because there's always somebody you can get in. But it is what it is. Now we got a break. The breads, what year is those? 2012. Probably just about, huh? They got some age to them. We got the nice little frame. You can tell you wear them. Before I leave the shop, let's see what we got down there. I think we got some dunks peeking out from behind the cape. There they is. What's good, y'all? So this vlog is going to be what's today? It's supposed to be day 9 and 10 together. Or 10 and 9, 10 and 11 together. One or the other. Just because, I put out a video today, which was the Tpob Go unboxing and review. So if you didn't watch that, go check that out. So that's what I was working on. So today's vlog and tomorrow's vlog is going to be blended in together. So yeah, good day at the shop. Time to go to church. And I play the electric tonight. So I don't know what set we're doing, but never do. We'll just figure it out when we get there. Let's go.
The breath of life and man became a living soul. In other words, people are this unique combination, you ready for this, between dust and deity.
What's up, Jayblenders? We are at Bubba's. I think they have this all over the country, if I'm not mistaken. But I get a really big veterans discount here. And before you judge me, I never used these discounts before until my mom and my wife were constantly like, hey, use it. And I'd seen how much money you can save by using them. I was at the Bubba's in Lubbock with my wife. I got 40% off of my meal. That's crazy. But yeah, here's my beautiful wife eating fried pickles. I don't like pickles, so hard pass on those for me.
They're really yummy.
Here's my homeschool daughter.
My mom says I'm a homeschool jungle freak.
Yeah, she's homeschooled, but yeah, she's not weird. This is a misconception. When I was a kid, well, homeschool is different now. When I was a kid, I feel like homeschool kids were kind of like different, to say the least. But now, I think that like the way that they teach kids in school now is so weird. I think that the homeschool kids are more like got their head on straight. Not, yeah. So I don't want to make it sound rude, but it just if you know what I mean, you know what I mean. If you know, you know. YK. But we're gonna enjoy some food, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up, y'all? Yes, that's me and my wife. That's younger Nico and younger Shar. But that's not what we're here for.
I'm still young.
She's still young. I'm 35. I'm almost 40. But we just got done eating at Bubba's, and I told y'all good night. But it's not good night. We got something to do. All right, we got something in the mail, of course. And this butter knife is not. Oh, there we go. Whoops. All right. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got. I told y'all 2 days we got something special on Vlogmas. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It is the Tpob Play, the Tiffany blue version. And there was supposed to be an Echo blade in here, another Echo blade. Maybe it's in there. It's probably in here, but we'll find out. But there it is, guys. I was waiting for this to come in. I'm gonna open it up before I even do an unboxing because I'm just happy to have it. So my daughter wanted me to listen to her play, so I made her bring the bass and the amp in our room. Good morning, y'all. 14 more days. Y'all, looks like we're the first ones at the shop today. It's nice and bright and shiny. It's like already 50-something degrees. I don't understand this weather, y'all. I don't understand it. We're in our second fall here in Texas right now. Second fall. As you can see, we got everything turned on. We at the shop. I got 8 or 9 clients today. Got to check my schedule. I'm going to try to edit this vlog out today. If you haven't watched my unboxing video from yesterday, go check that out. We unboxed the Tpob Go clipper. So go scope that out. Let me know what you guys think. I got an unboxing of the other clipper that just came in, the Play Mini, the Tiffany Blue Edition or Tiffany Green, one or the other. That's what we're going to be unboxing next. Also have a gray Play Mini to unbox as well. So we got a lot of stuff to play around with and unbox. So I also ordered 2 Echo blades. So those will be coming in pretty soon. So we got stuff coming. It's Christmas time, and it's gonna be a Tpob Christmas. But let's check out the fit before everybody gets here. Y'all seen what everybody was rocking yesterday for shoes wise. So let me show you what I'm rocking today. First and foremost, we got the worldwide Faded Culture t-shirt, as you can see there. We got on some Nike sweats, and then to top it off, we got on the Starfish Jordan 1 lows. So that's what we're rocking for as far as the fit today. So let me know what y'all think of the fit. Something simple, something just, you know, doing what it's got to do. Just got what, I'm not asking you to go back outside. What you doing, bro? How you doing? Welcome to Executive Barbershop, sir.
I had to give a refund last night.
A refund for what?
I went too short on the Edgar on the trim.
Oh, dang. You have footage?
Huh?
You have footage?
No, I don't.
Ah, that
Oh, let me
sucks.
back into that.
Look at the peep the sneaks. Peep the sneaks.
Mocha's on.
We got on the Mocha lows. Great minds think alike. As you can tell here, look at that. We got lows and lows. Jordan 1 lows.
Yes, sir.
Are they better than Dunks? Which ones are better?
The Jordan 1 lows all day.
They're gonna stay classics.
All day.
Dunks are like $50 a pair now. Like aftermarket.
Damn, they dropped that bad.
Yep. So I got the 3 different minis. So I do have to do a full unboxing for these 2. But this is what we're looking like right now. So these are the 3 mini plays. I like each and every one of them. They all got like a different special colorway to them. I like the mateness of the gray and the black for sure. And I also like the translucentness of the Tiffany blue one. I wasn't sure which one I got. It was a Tiffany blue. It's blue. It's blue, guys. It's Tiffany blue. I asked my wife too. She says Tiffany blue. But this is the gray mini. You can see that new Snaptech. What am I trying to say? That new Snaptech lever. Does come with your chunk blade. It's a silver chunk blade. Then we also have our Tiffany blue mini with the Snaptech and also a black chunk blade. And then we have the black mini. Now this is the black mini with the XO play blade, but all of them. I love how each and every one of them look. And they all, operate the same as far as like the internals and all that stuff. Only thing different is gonna have the chunk blade on these 2, XO on that one. It's just preference, I am trying to get used to the chunk blade. It is a good blade, don't get me wrong, by any means. But I've just gotten so accustomed to the XO blade ever since Tpob has dropped it. So those are the 3 minis that we got right now. Hello, sir.
So, brother?
Lucas Lee Mack, he's 30.
No, those are different.
3 separate.
You came different today. Okay, I didn't even know you had those.
Yeah. They're new.
Samoas for the Samoan.
No, some new golf shoes, but want to break them in the shop.
Cálmate.
Do you have the spikes for them?
Mm-hmm.
No?
A ver, let me see the bottom.
You don't need spikes, huh?
We got these last night, boy.
They look brand new.
Morning.
They are.
The only thing giving it away is a little black
Yeah,
spot on the toe.
Yeah, no, they're not
This
that
is what I
new,
can see you getting arrested for.
First impressions.
Damn, they're beautiful.
Yeah?
I like that.
The blue one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's sick, huh? It's like the Game Boy.
Yeah.
We got little home improvement projects going on. We're gonna figure out how to hide the cords a little bit better. And when I say we are gonna figure it out, I mean like Hector is gonna figure it out. I gave him the blueprint, like I engineered it, and he's the laborer, and so I picked him up at.
That looks cool, but I don't know if you want to rearrange your.
Yeah, I picked up this laborer from Home Depot today. What you doing?
This is different.
Here on a lunch break, Maddie's making me a ramen and an egg.
Boyfriend.
Jordan is just being Jordan. My wife is here. She just got done Christmas shopping. And I'm about to enjoy some ramen. Also, I'm gonna hop on the drums for a little bit before I go back to work. here is my food that my daughter cooked. Let's go. We're back at the shop here, and we got Hector looking extra fly today. You see the North Face green matching with the what are those even called? Are they the lucky green ones or something like that? I don't know, but they're nice. Everybody's wearing shades today. Then we got the when you want to be professional but you want to wear house shoes at the same time. In the flu games. He's cutting in the flu games because he's sick of this client right here. That's why.
Gio! What's up?
Are you? Still going hard. Liam. What kind of hair you gonna get?
Mid-drop phase.
Mid-drop? My nephew gets a comb over. I've been trying to talk my brother into growing his hair, but he won't do it. It's a shame. We got my favorite white boy in the chair, Hayden Bartholomew Dockery.
Bartholomew.
The fifth. The fifth. So
That's good.
his middle name is Clarence. Clarence lives with both parents, and his parents got a real good marriage. So today he said, "I want to grow my hair out, but I want you to cut it." So I don't know. What are we doing?
We're vibing it. We're doing a little.
We're doing the. He used to have a comb over, but we're doing the textured fringe look.
We got rid of the Mr. Rogers 3000.
Yeah. So now we have Simple Jack.
The Simple Jack. You gotta mess it up.
I just got out of work, and I don't know why I'm wearing a jacket. It's like 73 degrees outside. I got my boy Luis, just urinated in the back. Hit the head. All right, bro. I don't know why they say that in the Navy, but that's what they say. Just got home, and we're having dinner. We got white rice and ground beef. Is it good? Yeah? Why you gotta always be weird? Weirdo.
Mine's all gone.
Oh, yeah. Time. We want some more?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get some more.
I want hot dog.
My wife and my daughter are going to a women's dinner with the church, so it's just me and the little kiddos here. I'm gonna close out the vlog here, edit it for the past 2 days so you guys can see it. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. If you guys got any questions or anything like that, drop them in the comment section below. Let me know what you got. Let me know what else you guys are interested or want to see about my life, I guess, at the shop. I don't know. Let me know. But other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. Until next time, God bless. I was just about to close out this vlog a little bit too early. I do have this. It's a 3 guitar stand. So I have 3 guitars over here, 1, 2, and 3. It's gonna take up less space to just put them side by side rather than having 3 separate guitar stands. Plus my daughter wants hers back, so I had to order a new one with 3. That way I could hold all the guitars. So that's where we're at right now. So let's put this together, and then I'll show you guys what the final product looks like. Right now, this is what we're looking like. It's got 1, 2, 3, and that's how much space we're taking up. So I'm thinking I could put the guitar stand there, and then we could put all the amps maybe under there. I'm thinking down here somewhere. I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, y'all. So there it is. The 3 guitar stand with the amps all next to it and all that, all done. But that'll do it for the video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like I said, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Day 10 and 11 of Vlogmas down, and if you haven't watched the Go review and unboxing, go check that out. Till next time, God bless.